Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure health apps with Fitbit step by step clearly. Start by ensuring your Fitbit device is charged and close to your smartphone. Download the Fitbit app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Open the Fitbit app and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account, select Join Fitbit to create one. Once logged in, tap on, scroll down and select Set up a device. Choose your specific Fitbit model from the list provided. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair your Fitbit with your smartphone. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone for successful pairing. Once paired, you will be directed to the main dashboard of the app. Tap on the Today tab to access your health statistics. Now, navigate to the Health and Fitness section in the app. Select the specific health app you want to configure, such as sleep, heart rate, or food log. Follow the prompts to personalize your settings for each health metric. Set goals by tapping on the Goals option within the Health and Fitness section. Adjust your goals by selecting the target metrics you wish to achieve. To track workouts, navigate to the Exercise section of the app. Add your preferred activities by selecting the Track Exercise option. Input your desired settings, such as duration and type of workout. For nutrition tracking, tap on the Food section and enable food logging. Input your dietary preferences and any restrictions. You can also sync third-party health apps by selecting Apps from the main menu. Choose your desired app and follow the on-screen instructions to link it with Fitbit. Confirm all settings to ensure a seamless tracking experience. Your Fitbit is now configured to monitor your health metrics effectively. Monitor your progress regularly on the app's dashboard for insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.